as you can see, this is acoustic, this is high life, this is Afro, this is Afro, and we have scene 1, scene 2, you know, and the rest. This is jazz patch, this is ambient. So I have a lot of patches in here. Atoa. So I have face up. So I have good patches. This is what I do when you buy from me. I give you a few patches and I set the pedal up. I would love to show you guys how the NUX MG-30 from factory feels like. Everything is sealed, as you can see. From factory, this is the first unboxing, and this is the one I set up. I do some global stuff and also my patches on it. Input is right here, output is here. So guys, let's check it out. This is NUX MG-30 from factory. You hear, this is what a lot of people have been complaining. The wah switch turns on, you know, immediately, so it doesn't give you the freedom to swell, as you can see. And most of the patches are very noisy. MG-30, but with my patches on it, so guys, let's check it out. As you can see guys, there is very less noise, and the sound is very super clean. This is Afro patch. So this is more of like the same pickup with I use the neck pickup for both the acoustic and the Afro patch. So let me go straight to the acoustic patch. This is what you get when you buy the NUX NUX MG-30 from me, because I do all of this. And guys, also let's check out the the expression pedal. So as you can see, the wah switch is not on. I can only activate that by by applying a bit of pressure on my toe. So everything is this ambient. Thank you guys. So everything, as you can see, all my patches are on the same volume. Let's check out this. Justin.